Hello, students of class 11th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, dear students, as of now, uh, in my last video, I have finished explanation of chapter 6, the Brownian version, okay, written by Terence Rattigan. I have finished explanation of chapter 6, the Brownian version in your Hornbill, written by Terence Rattigan. Now, in this video, we are going to go through some important facts which we must remember about this chapter. We will also go through some extra question answers and other exercises, examination style questions. Okay, students. So, first of all, let us once again uh, go through some points which we must remember about this chapter. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on your screen a PDF. I hope you people are able to see this PDF. Let me adjust it. Okay. Chapter 6, the Browning version by Terence Rattigan. It is an extract for the play, the Browning version, written by Terence Rattigan, which is focused on a good but unpopular school teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. Okay, students, so this story focuses on a school teacher who was not very famous. Okay, Mr. Crocker Harris, as we have seen in the story. It vividly brings about the agony of a dedicated teacher who has a strict attitude towards his students. In this story, there is another teacher, Frank. He is young. Crocker Harris, old teacher, Tableau, a boy of 16. So there are three main characters in this play. In the end of the play, we also will come across Millie Crocker Harris, wife of uh, Crocker Harris. Now, Crocker Harris, different kind of teacher, strict, disciplinarian, hardworking, and fully devoted to his duty. Does not tell his students their result before the last day of the term. Tableau had asked Mr. Crocker Harris about his remove, and in response, the teacher told him that he has given Tableau exactly what he deserves, no less and certainly no more. Frank admits envying Mr. Crocker Harris for the effect he has on his students. He is not the sort of a person who would beat students and vent out his frustration on students. He is a hard like nut, all shriveled up, never respond to feelings shown by the students. Tableau admits that in spite of all this, he likes Mr. Crocker Harris. Now, Tableau. Taplow is a boy of 16, came to school to do extra work for Crocker Harris as he had missed a class in a week ago. He dislikes the play Agamemnon and is more interested in science. He is a good mimic as he imitates Crocker Harris' voice and style very well. Liked Crocker Harris even though he was a strict teacher. He does not consider him a sadist. He admires Crocker Harris. He does not want to make Crocker Harris angry by displeasing him in any manner. When Frank suggests him that he could play and come back as there are very bleak chances of Crocker Harris coming, he refuses to do so. Now Frank is a young teacher. He shows a better understanding of student behavior and psychology. He is humble towards his students. He has a friendly attitude towards his students. His conversation with Taplow shows that Taplow is very comfortable discussing the matter with him. Even though Frank is easy in his attitude, he is not of the kind who will appreciate sarcasm on fellow teachers. He quickly points out to Taplow when he gets too carried away mocking Crocker Harris. When Frank and Taplow were talking, Millie, the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris, arrives there and sends Taplow to the chemist's shop with a prescription. So it's all about the play, students. So in this play we have seen that how Taplow talks about his teacher Crocker Harris, and how a funny, humorous conversation goes on between Frank and Taplow, and how everything openly, very frankly, Taplow shares with Mr. Frank. So the students, it also shows that a student has different opinion, different feelings, different thinking about different teachers. In spite of Mr. Crocker Harris is strict in this play, he is liked by Taplow. Taplow finds Mr. Crocker Harris different from other teachers. So thus students, we have seen how a teacher's perception is different from different teachers, but still a student likes the teacher who is strict and who is devoted towards their work. Okay, so let us go through some solve short answer type questions, then long, then some questions for practice. Okay. Short answer questions. Answer the following questions in not more than 30 to 40 words. Why did Crocker Harris not disclose the results like the other teachers? As our students, we have gone through in the story that it was a rule that results would be announced by the headmaster alone. The other teachers didn't care for this rule, but Crocker Harris was a man of principles. He never disclosed the results like the other teachers. Who was Millie? What did she tell Taplow? Millie was Mr. Crocker's wife. She told, it should be told here, but it is written total. So it is, uh, a printing mistake. It is a misprint. She told Taplow that her husband was at the bursars and it could take him a lot of time. Thus, she told him indirectly that he could go and play. Why doesn't Taplow agree with Frank in calling uh, Crocker a sadist? It should be Crocker, CRO. So here it is written cracker. Okay, so it should be read as Crocker. Why doesn't Taplow agree with Frank in calling Crocker a sadist? Frank calls Crocker a sadist. It is written radist, beta. It should be read as sadist. Sadist because he gets after his students. But Taplow says after he understands the meaning, it should be the, but it is written here he, the meaning of the word sadist, that cracker, it's Crocker, not cracker, that Crocker was much more than that. He was a feelingless person who was like a shriveled up nut. He hated to be liked and behaved in a strange manner with his students. Where did Taplow meet Frank? So Taplow had been asked to do some extra work by Mr. Crocker Harris. He was waiting for the teacher in the school. Frank also came there and met Taplow. What is Taplow's attitude towards Mr. Crocker Harris? Taplow is respectful towards Mr. Crocker Harris and likes him even though he is afraid of him. He dare not cut the extra work even on the last day of the term. What do you gather about Mr. Frank from the play? Mr. Frank is a young science teacher. He doesn't like the subject he teaches. It should be he here. He also admits that he tells the results to the students before it is officially announced by the headmaster. He feels envious of Crocker Harris because Taplow likes him. What subjects does Taplow want to opt for? Why? So Taplow feels if his grades are good, he would opt for science. He feels science is more interesting than the study of classical. How does Taplow react to Millie's arrival? Taplow is nervous. He is unable to control his emotions and whispers to Frank if he thinks she has heard their conversation. Taplow feels that if she tells Mr. Crocker Harris, he would lost his form. So dear students, these were some solved questions. Now some unsolved questions for you to practice. So please now get ready with the paper and pen and note down these questions. Question number 1. Why was Tableau given an extra work on the last day of the session? Question number 2. Why did Mr. Crocker Harris not disclose Tableau's result? Third, what do you learn about Mr. Frank as a teacher from this lesson? Question number 4. Why did Tableau laugh at Mr. Crocker Harris' joke? Question number 5. How is Mr. Crocker Harris different from other masters? Give 2 points of difference. Question number 6. What does Millie Crocker Harris ask Tableau to do? Question number 7. Why did Tableau prefer science to literature? Question number 8. Who is Millie? Why does she send Tableau to the chemist? Question number 9. Why did Tableau keep on waiting even after knowing that Mr. Crocker Harris was 10 minutes late? Question number 10. Why does Tableau sound bitter? Question number 11. Does Mr. Frank seem to encourage Tableau's comment on Mr. Crocker Harris? Question number 12. We get all the slackers. Why is Frank not very enthusiastic on hearing that Tableau wished to join science? Question number 13. Why does Tableau call Mr. Crocker Harris a man of principles? Question number 14. What does Tableau consider muck? Why? Question number 15. Why was Tableau horrified to find Mrs. Crocker Harris standing by the door screen, watching Tableau and Mr. Frank? Question number 16. Mention 2 character traits of Tableau. So dear students, it's all about the questions. You must take the screenshot or you can pause the video and you must write down all. Once again I am going to show you on the screen from the beginning. So you must write down from the beginning. All these points are very important. So dear students, you can take the screenshot, okay, or you should pause the video and then you should write all these important points, including all solved questions, then unsolved questions for practice. So as you can see on your screen, there are 8 questions are solved and 16 unsolved questions are there. So please students, write them down in a notebook and practice. So thus students, we have finished this chapter 6, Browning version, written by Terence Rattigan. Sorry, it's Terence. Okay. In this story, dear students, we have seen there are 3 main characters: Mr. Crocker Harris, Mr. Crocker Harris, Taplow, and Frank. And in the end, it's a small introduction of Millie Crocker Harris. She is the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is a middle-aged teacher in this play. Taplow, a boy of Taplow, W also here. A boy of 16 years, and Frank, a young teacher in this play. Millie Crocker Harris, wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. In the beginning of the play, dear students, we have seen that Frank found Taplow waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow informed Frank that he had been called there for extra work as he had missed the school one day. So that is why Mr. Crocker Harris called him there for an extra work. Frank, when he came to know that he had called there for extra work at the end of the day, at the end of the term, last day of the school, he got surprised. A conversation started between Taplow and Frank about Mr. Crocker Harris. He said Mr. Crocker Harris was not like those teachers who announced the result before the day which is decided for the announcement of the result. It was a rule of the school that the result would be announced at the last day of school, and the headmaster would announce the result. Taplow said, who follow this rule apart from Mr. Crocker Harris? Frank said yes, he admits that no one follows the rule except him. So thus conversation continues between them, in which Taplow reveals a lot of things about Mr. Crocker Harris. He said he is like shriveled up like nut. He is soft from inside but hard from outside. He is strict but he is not sadist. Sadist, this term is used for a person who takes pleasure after giving others pain. So he said he is not a sadist. Frank wanted to know the reason why boys used to afraid of Mr. Crocker Harris. So he asked Taplow whether he used to punish them. Then Taplow denied. Taplow said no, he is not a sadist. So thus a lot of conversation continues between them, went on between them, in which Taplow reveals a lot of things about Mr. Crocker Harris. He also told that he did not know his result. One day when he asked his result, then Mr. Crocker Harris replied that, imitating Mr. Crocker Harris, he replied that, Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve, neither less nor more. So thus, by copying him, by imitating him, even though he tells that he is totally different from other teachers, he is strict, he has hardly any emotion, even though in the end he says that he likes Mr. Crocker Harris. So dear students, it shows that if why I have to share it with you. These days it has been seen that teachers mostly complain students don't respect them. I agree, but not fully. At some point I find that they are the teachers also, they don't behave like a teacher sometime. Only a person who teaches is not a teacher. Teacher means you are mother plus father plus teacher. Okay, if you can play all these three roles, only then you can expect respect from a student. It is my opinion. Okay, so here in the story we have seen that Mr. Crocker Harris was a strict teacher, even though he was liked by Taplow because he was devoted to his duty. So why Taplow used to like him? Because of his devotion towards his duty. So what is important, students? Devotion towards duty. He was strict, but he was teaching the students, he worked hard after the students. He followed all the rules of the school. So that is why students, Taplow calls him strict. But when Frank asked him why all the boys are afraid of him, whether he beats you all, then he said, no, not at all. Okay, he is not a sadist. So this also tells us that Mr. Crocker Harris was not a teacher who was punishing the students. He was only strict for his work. He was devoted. So these qualities, I think, in my opinion, a teacher must have, and also a student must have the quality of Taplow, who talks, who reveals everything about Mr. Crocker Harris, but finally he says that I like him, and Mr. Crocker Harris does not, does not like to be liked, to be admired. So this message we get from this beautiful chapter. So we have discussed each and everything of this chapter, dear students. So tomorrow, with new video, with new chapter, I'll see you. So okay, so thank you students for watching this video. Keep doing your work, keep preparing, and keep watching the videos and keep attending the online classes. So thank you students for joining the class.